Guys, one of the most neglected part of a car's maintenance is cleaning the windshield cowl. Now, more often than not, many owners don't pay attention to cleaning the windshield cowl from time to time, and as a result of which that area gets slowly rusted. Because what happens is sometimes you park your car below a tree, for instance, and a lot of leaves get accumulated. You wash your car down, and all those leaves get accumulated in that cowl area, and it slowly starts decaying. And as a part of it, it eats away the paint, and your bare metal is exposed, and it starts rusting. And you will not realize it because it's not directly visible. And when you open your windshield cowl for some maintenance, the cowl trim, that's when you realize that a whole lot of metal has been rusted away. It has happened. Look at these pictures. It gives you a clear indication of what happens when you neglect that area for maintenance. So it's actually quite easy to maintain, and you should make it a point to clean that area, say once in a year maybe, and that will reward you in the long run. Believe me, I've been through that. So I'm going to show you how to clean the windshield cowl of your Maruti Zen. It's pretty simple. All you've got to do is remove these wiper arms and this windshield cowl trim, this plastic part you see here, and then you can get access to the cowl area. And all you need is your car cleaning concentrate, like a shampoo concentrate, and dilute it, use a sponge, clean away the area, and then just clean that part. So it's pretty simple, and let's see how this is done. So we'll start with removing the wiper arms. So there's a cap here, you can simply take it out like this. Please be sure to have these caps, because these rubber caps are the one that protects the nut from getting directly exposed to the weather. Otherwise, you'll have a pretty bad condition like you see in this picture above. Once you remove that, you will need a 12 mm socket. So once you have the wiper arms removed, the next thing is you're going to have to remove this cowl trim. And you'll have some clips here. I'll show you how to remove them. Additionally, you also have some clips which are hidden below this bonnet. So you're going to have to pop open the bonnet. Now you can see that there are these clips here that is holding the trim. There are no screws. We only have these clips. You can see 4 of them here. One is missing. So there are 5 clips hidden here, and you have 4 on the top side. So you're going to have to remove them. Now to remove these clips, what you need to do is pop in the center using a screwdriver like this, and like that. That's how this clip comes out. Pop in the center. That is how you remove them. So do that for all the clips there. Now we've removed all the clips that you see here. Once you removed all the clips, please be sure to disconnect the hose here. There's a small joint. You can simply pull it out and it will come off like that, and the cowl comes off. Now you're going to have to close the bonnet. And that is how you remove the cowl trim. We also show you the condition of the cowl below. There you go, guys. You can see now, because this car was painted I think 3 years back, we have cleaned this when this was being repainted, so that's why you don't see much problems here. Otherwise, the condition on a different car would be much more worse. You can see leaves here. Guys, take a look. There you go. So you can still see a lot of leaves accumulated there. So what we'll do is we'll do a proper cleaning of the cowl area. Now you have these holes here that will permit you to put your hand and do some amount of cleaning. So let's do that.
First, remove the leaves and other debris manually through the holes. Then, use a car shampoo solution and a sponge-based scrub to clean the dirt from the exposed areas. Don't use a dishwashing soap or such hard cleaning agents. Be sure to scrub the areas thoroughly, including the cowl area. where the windshield wiper mechanism is located. Then use a brush to reach for the crevices and other nook and crannies to dislodge hardened dirt which is otherwise inaccessible. And finally, use a hose with a good water pressure to wash down the area properly.
Guys, take a look at the cowl after cleaning. The top part has been cleaned. You can see rust in that area slowly developing. I'll have to address that. So for the most part it is sort of okay, except that corner here. Guys, so you saw how effective it is cleaning the windshield cowl, and it is very easy to do that as well. I suggest you do it from time to time to prevent rust getting accumulated in your cowl area. So it's a very simple activity. You should probably do it once every year to prevent unwanted rusting and the repercussions that follow. Ensure that this area is slotted properly into the corner. Okay, now you're done that. The next thing is to secure those clips. So in case your clips are broken, you can buy them anew. Maruti still produces them. This is for the shorter clips. That is, this one is the shorter one. And this one is the longer one. There's a difference. So you can see the stem is a little longer. So this one would come right here, and the shorter ones on this groove here where the water goes. So let's install them. Ensure that that central shaft that you see here, this is pulled up, right? And then you can simply insert it into the hole and press it. That's it. Guys, remember to connect this tubing. Right. You can install the wipers. Guys, please be sure to attach these caps, these rubber caps back to the wiper arms, because if you don't, your nuts that are holding the wiper arms to those spindles will slowly become rusted, like you see in this picture, and it can go totally bad. So it's best that you use these caps to close them. That is it, guys. That completes this activity. Thank you so much for watching.